Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at steps to disable automatic updates on Windows 11. Although I do recommend allowing the system to download and install updates as soon as they become available, because they're essential to keep your computer secure and with the latest fixes, improvements, and new features. It is also true that nowadays it is normal for updates to roll out with bugs and other issues that can negatively affect the experience. So if you must disable automatic updates, you do have a few options, even though Windows 11 doesn't include specific settings to complete this task. Just remember that some of them only apply for Windows 11 Pro and other ones for Windows 11 Pro and the Home Edition of Windows. Also, some of the methods require us to update the registry, so if you don't do this correctly, this can affect your computer, so it is important to create a backup before proceeding. You have been warned. Okay, let's dive into the different ways you can prevent your computer from downloading and installing Windows updates automatically. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Also, remember to visit my website to support my work and find more tutorials and tech news. Method 1. Disable automatic updates from the Settings app. This method applies to Windows 11 Pro and Windows 11 Home. To start, open the Start menu and look for Settings. Then go to Windows Update, and on this page, click the Pause for 1 week button under the Pause Updates setting. This will disable automatic updates for 1 week. Usually, this method is recommended for those times that you only need to disable system updates for a short period of time. At any time, you can click the Resume Updates button to re-enable updates on your computer. Method 2. Disable automatic updates on Windows 11 Pro or Home for up to 20 years. So what I mean by this is that there is an option that you can edit in the registry that will change the configuration for this feature that allows you to pause updates indefinitely for up to 20 years. And that technically will disable automatic updates on your computer. This requires editing the registry, so make sure that you have a backup of your computer or the registry before proceeding. Okay, first open Start and look for the registry. Then you're going to go to this path, HKey Local Machine Software Microsoft Windows Update UX Settings. And on this section, we're going to find the Flight Settings Max Pause Days key. Right click on it and select the Modify option. Remember the default settings is 7, so that's why you see 1 week on the Pause Updates setting in the Settings app. So in here, we're going to change the value data to this, and then we're just going to click OK. Technically, it's not required, but I do recommend you to restart the computer to apply the settings. Then open Start, look for Settings, and then go to Windows Update. And as you can see on the page, the setting has been updated, and now we can choose for how long we want to pause updates. So if we scroll down, so we can select the pause for 1042 weeks. And as you can see, we're in 2025, and here the pause update is set until 2045. At any time, you can click the Resume Updates button to enable automatic updates. Now, if you want to undo the changes, just go to the registry, go to the same path and edit the same key and set it to 7. And now the next time that you go to Windows Update, you're going to see that it rolled back to 1 week. Method 3. Disable automatic updates on Windows 11 Pro using group policy. So you can also permanently stop updates from downloading automatically by configuring the Windows Update settings inside of the group policy editor. However, this option is only available for Windows 11 Pro, as the Home Edition doesn't include this tool. If you're running Windows 11 Home, you can still disable updates, but you will need to modify the registry, which I'm going to show you later on in the video. To disable automatic updates permanently from group policy, do this. Open Start and look for group policy. Now we're going to browse Computer Configuration, then we're going to go to Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then we're going to go to Windows Update, and then we're going to select the Manage End User Experience. And on this page, we're going to right-click Configure Automatic Updates and select the Edit option. Now we're going to select the Disable option. And as you can see, according to the policy, if this policy is disabled, any updates that are available on Windows Update must be downloaded and installed manually. So basically, this option will disable automatic updates permanently on your computer. So to apply the settings, just click Apply and click OK. However, If we go to the Settings app and then we go to Windows Update, if we click the Check for Updates button, the computer will still be able to go to the Microsoft servers and download the available updates. But since we disable the group policy for Windows Updates, the system will not do a check automatically. Therefore, you are disabling the automatic updates on your device. Now, if you want to enable automatic updates on Windows 11, just go to Group Policy. And then on the same path, Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, Manage End User Experience, and on Configure Automatic Updates, right-click on it and select the Edit option. And then here, select the Not Configure option. Click Apply, click OK. And now, whenever there is a new update available, the system will download it and install it automatically. Method 4. Disable automatic updates on Windows 11 Pro and Windows 11 Home from the registry. So this next method is the same as configuring group policy. However, we're going to do it through the registry, which also is going to enable users with the Home edition of Windows 11 to disable automatic updates. And to get started, open the Start menu and look for the registry. And now we're going to navigate to this path. HKey Local Machine, Software Policies, Microsoft Windows. In here, right-click the Windows key, select New, and select the key option. And we're going to name this Windows Update, all one word. Now, right-click Windows Update, select New, and select Key. And we're going to name this AU. Now, right-click the newly created key, select New, and this time we're going to select the dword 32-bit value option. And then we're going to name it No Auto Update, one word, as you see on the screen. Now, right-click the newly created dword and select the Modify option, and set the value to 1, and click OK. Now, restart the computer to apply the changes. And after you've done that, Windows Update will stop automatic downloads for updates. However, the same as group policy, you can still go to the Settings app, and then on Windows Update, you can still click the Check for Updates button to download the available updates. However, the computer will not do this process automatically. Now, if you want to revert the changes, open Start and go to the registry. Then, on the same path, HKey Local Machine, Software Policies, Microsoft Windows, look for the key that we created, which was called Windows Update. Just right-click on it, make sure that you select the right one, and select the Delete option. And now restart the computer, and now the system will once again be able to check and download updates automatically. And that's it. Those are the different ways that you can use to disable automatic Windows updates on your computer. Let me know in the comments the option that you selected and why you're trying to disable updates. Also, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.